Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today we will discuss one problem in LeetCode related to graph, that is minimum number of vertices to reach all nodes, and the problem number is 1557. Let's talk about the problem statement now. The problem statement is given a directed acyclic graph with n vertices number from 0 to n minus 1, an array of edges where edges of I actually is presenting from and to. Represents a directed edge from node from and to. Find the smallest set of vertices from which all nodes in the graph are reachable. It is guaranteed that a unique solution exists. Notice that you can return the vertices in any order. So the problem statement is saying here one directed acyclic graph will be provided to you. What is directed graph? Means where there should be a direction from one edge to another edge. It is not bidirectional. And it is acyclic means it is not forming any cycle. So here is a graph with 6 nodes and this is a edge array where this first value is defining the from and the second value is defining to. So 0, 1 means from 0 to 1, one direction or one edge is present. Similar fashion from 2 to 5, one direction is present. And so these edges will represent the graph and we have to find like from which vertices if we start then we can visit all the nodes. So we have to return the minimum number of vertices from where if we start then we can reach all the vertices. So here if you see, if we start from vertex 0 then we can reach to 1, 2, 5, and if we start from 3 then we can reach 4, 2 is already covered. So from starting 0 to 3 we can cover all the nodes. Here if you see, we have total n equal to 5 number of nodes. So if you start from 0, we can cover 0, 1, 4, that's it. And from 3 we can cover 1, 4 is already visited. And from 2 if we go, then 4 and 1 we can go. So if we start from 0 to 3, then all the vertices we can reach. So we have to return this value as an output. Though this problem is a medium problem, but if you know the concept behind it, it is a very much easy problem. How to solve this? We will see next. So this problem you can solve using the concept of topological sorting. So if you don't know what is topological sorting, so please visit my video topological sorting. So the link is in the I icon. So as it is a directed acyclic graph, so to visit any node or any other nodes, you have to start from a vertex which has in degree value as 0. If you look at here, what is in degree value? So the in degree value 0 means the vertex from where only outgoing nodes are present. No edges are coming towards this vertex. All edges are going outwards. So that node will have in degree value as 0. That means you have to start from here, or else what will happen is how you can reach to this node, because there is no edge coming towards this node, right? So suppose in this example the node 0 has in degree value as 0 because all the edges are going outwards. For 3 also this is the same case. To visit 0 and 3, there is no way you can come from other node, right? Because no nodes are going towards 0 or 3. So you have to start from 0 and 3. There is no other way. And if you look at here means closely, then you can see here, like if you start from 0 or 3, you can cover all the nodes. From 0 if you start, then 1, 2, 5 you can cover. From 3 if you start, you can cover 4 and 2 and 5. Means all nodes you can cover. Same for this particular example also. Here the nodes which has in degree value as 0 is 0, 3 and 2. If you notice, if you start from 0, 3 and 2, you can cover all the nodes. So we have to just find the nodes which has in degree value as 0 and that will be the answer. Now let's jump and code. Now let's jump into the coding part. So here I have given with the number of nodes and the ages. Ages means that is a list of integers. So the list of integer here actually has two values, that is from and to. The first value is from and the second value is to. So to get the result, we have to define one array list of integer, and we will define a boolean field of n length where it will define like which field is has in degree and which fields don't have in degree. So for that purpose I have defined two variable. One is result array which will contain the result part, and a boolean in degree array which has length as n. So when I will go through this edges list, that time if I find any node has two value, then for that particular node I will make it as in degree equal to true. You can take one integer array also, and there you can check the count, and at the end if any node has in degree count more than 0, that also you can include. Or as we just have to mention like which node has in degree as 0, that's why we just taking a boolean array where just we have to denote. Exact count we don't need in this case. For topological sort problem we need that count, but here we just have to denote. So what we can do is we can start iterating this edges. I less than equal to edges dot size, and then I plus plus. Now we have to get the two value from here. So int 2 equal to edges dot get I, the first element, and dot get 1 because the second element is the 2 from and to, right? So now in this in degree array, in the to field we can make it as true. So who have two value, that we will make it as true, and at the end of the array we'll check like who don't have the value as true. So integer I equal to 0, I less than n because n will be the size of that array, and I plus plus. And if in degree value I is not equal to true, then that we can include in the result dot add this I field, and at the end we have to return the result. Let's compile this result now. It is working. Let's submit. Yeah, so it is working. Thanks for watching.